Such a beautiful wall painting pattern. The painting has been done on the sari veil. This is a most demanded digital print come sari with a demanded fabric. I'm talking about, friends. I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I brought for you the demanded fast moving saris from printed section. The fabric I'm talking about, the beautiful digital printed concept of the sari, satin fabric, different unique varieties I'm going to show you in this video. Keep watching this video. Saris, retailers, dealers, wholesalers, if you want to purchase satin fabric printed sari bulk quantity and you want to see a huge profit, keep watching. Bulk order you can purchase by COD options, by doing advance payments India plus international. You can easily add into your business and you can make your customers happy. There's a bell icon, just click it, subscribe the channel for the regular updates where you can directly tie up with Kesaria Manufacturers for clothing business. If I talk about saris, there are cotton saris, printed sari, Poonam saris, designer, party wear. Cotton is having a many more segments. So n number of collections manufacturers are giving you season to season. So that's why you have to visit Surat Manufacturers. You have to take a textile market experience. Then you have to find out the right manufacturer and you want to purchase new collections. So as I said, the satin fabric demanded varieties. The first pattern you're watching here, the beautiful peach color combination with one of the light, pomegranate color, I can say here, the color combination which is pomegranate color. So unique varieties of the printed sari, and this concept you can easily purchase. And here the code you can find out for the online orders if you want to purchase. This is the tiger is the code. With blouse you can see here the sari. In this sari you have a different color concept also we are giving you. If I talk about the next sari, this is a beautiful concept of dark maroon with a gardenery pattern of pista greenish color with a cream color. Here is the sari. Some women they like floral base printed. So floral is demanded and printing many more collections in even chudidars, kurtis, ready-made kurtas, party wear saris and the printed sari, cotton embroidering. All these floral based are fast moving collections. This sari also you can find out the same code, the tiger, and you will find out which sari 630 is a blouse is a length. Whenever you purchase a sari from the Surat, you have to check the length of the sari with 630 meters with blouse. Without blouse 6 meters, 550 meters where you can buy a casual running sari. So next pattern, the chocolate color. So chocolate color with the cookies color or the biscuits colors I can say here. Beautiful pattern, So this is a very stylish pattern. When we wore these saris are, it gives a very royal and rich look. These saris are very easy to wash, not required any dry clean or not required any pressing pattern. These saris are very shining. The fabric is demanded. That's why these collections are demanded at the south, especially Andhra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. These saris are fast moving varieties. Next I'm going to show you English color, which is a subtle color with a contrast color combination. Here the onion color you can see. One of the unique varieties of the digital printed sari. This sari also you can find out. This is also a code called tiger is the code. In this also you will find out. If I talk about the color combination, we do have a different varieties of the color combination. When it is going to a print, the fabric, they see the colors, which color goes to which color. That's why it works out on the system. Then it goes to the printing. So if I talk about the next color, which is a dark contrasted, which is a Rani color with a dark brinjal color with the south pattern printed border. Heavy concept border sari. This is also one of the village colors, village combinations. Even in the metro cities or district level, all these varieties of saris you can easily purchase. This is one of the concept. And if I talk about the next sari, we have a geometrical pattern of the satin based sari, and the sari looks like this, the very pretty of the lemon color which I am wearing. So this sari is having a beautiful pallu over here. See how beautiful designed sari. All these exclusive varieties you can purchase, different colors and different designs. So bottle green is the next color, geometrical pattern of the sari, and you have a mini border of the bottle green on the both the sides, even on the shoulder part, even in the down part you can see the sari's plain border which is highlighted. And the next sari with the light official colors also you can purchase, the gray color with the casual printed. This print, when I look, it looks for me like a cloudy pattern on the sky, how it designs, no, in that pattern, this is a cloudy pattern is the print has been done, which is a tiger is a code. All these varieties of saris are very fast moving. So satin, silk, printed, digital based saris. If I talk about this price, it starts from only 200 rupees. You can easily take a screenshot, contact your online team. If you couldn't travel to Surat, I can only say the benefits which your manufacturers are giving you, like either it is a video call purchasing or it is a visit purchase, or you can just calling and you're sharing with a WhatsApp. No, the communication gap you may not having these issues because we do having a like online team, offline team, and the languages Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, English, Marathi, all these sales executives we are providing you to have a smooth communication through WhatsApp, and you can easily purchase. Today everything is being in this busy world, all are purchasing through online. Either it is a food, or either it is a garment, or it is a equipments or anything. The busy trending world is giving only online business is very fast moving. If you're also having a business, if you're doing a business, implement your marketing activities through online business where social media, Instagram, YouTube, everything. So in this video, hopefully you may like this satin based digital printed sarees. Next video I'll come up with many more business informations with new more collections. Subscribe the channel. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video, and I'll try to do many more new collections, fast moving. What kind of collections you're looking for, you can also text me through comments. So next video will come up with new more varieties. Keep supporting me and share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Follow the website, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube page. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरी।